Near the exit of each Ikea is the As Is section, a special area where you can find discounted items that have small problems, have been on display before, or have been returned. These items might be showroom models, products with damaged packaging, or pieces with little scratches or dents. The purpose of the As Is section is to give customers the chance to buy these items at a lower price than the original cost. It allows Ikea to sell products that don't meet their usual standards or aren't in their original packaging anymore. It's important to know that items sold in these sections are usually sold as they are, which means you can't return or exchange them. Before buying, it's a good idea to carefully check the items. €100. Except 200.